I think the thing that makes the school different, we have the room set up so that we have one training station for every 2 students. So at each station we have 2 students and 1 nurse or doctor like myself. They've got a nurse standing right next to them, watching them, instructing them, asking them questions, being sure that they're safe and they know what they're doing. While that's happening, the other student is documenting how much product's being given, where it's being given, so they get used to that. And then they switch. So each student is either injecting and being supervised or watching someone else being highly supervised. I'm circulating the room while all this is happening. I'm pointing out things that are good, maybe some things that aren't so good. I'm instructing them again. And we pride ourselves in the fact that we have a lot of hands-on experience in this course. Each of the students injects 5, 6, sometimes 7 different spots, 7 different times. So by the time they leave that day, they've got a really good experience in injecting. One of the things I've learned over the years is that when you start as an injector, there are a lot of moving parts, and by that I mean there are a lot of things for the students to think about. And I know that when you first start, it's overwhelming. We've designed this course to sort of break it down to make as few moving parts as possible. So the techniques that I've developed that I believe are really helpful for beginning injectors, try to slow it down for them. Techniques that are designed to keep them safe, to separate the components, to be reproducible, and to be very, very precise. We try to create a very supportive, protective environment because, you know, we've all been there. We've all been in exactly that person's shoes. The first time you ever inject in front of a lot of people with a real live patient, that's a nerve-wracking experience. We understand that. We know how to train people, and we know how to do it safely and correctly, and we know how to do it in a way that doesn't make people insecure or nervous. Because we know that we've all been there before, and we can reassure you and assure you that you're going to be successful if you just follow the techniques that we instruct you with, and you won't have any problems.